Hi guys, afternoon, hope you're all doing well. I'm here on site today with my apprentice Charlie, he's my boy, and we're just having a quick check-up. I was here earlier on this morning. I dropped off all the heating mats for obviously for our electrician to get going with and start installing. So they're all up now, so I just wanted to have a check. There you go, I don't know if you can see, they're all in the ceiling, so they're all connected, crimped up to the feeds. We've just got them hanging there on a bit of wire there just to suspend them until the plasterers are getting here in the morning, and they'll start plastering them into the ceiling, which is all good. I'll just spin you around and do a quick walk through this flat. Not much has changed over the last few days, but I'll spin around anyway. So this is the upstairs flat. It's all plastered. All the plaster's been done, all the walls. We've done it kind of a little bit round back to front a little bit. Ideally you want to be plastering the ceilings first, but we didn't want to hold up the plasterers. They were booked in for they started on Saturday, so they said, look, we'll just get the walls done, and if any kind of rubbing down and making good we've got to do afterwards, then that's fine. It's no big drama. So yeah, as I say, they're up. The ceiling's obviously plasterboarded, just waiting to be plastered. So all that happen is we'll drop those down tomorrow. The plaster will come in, and then they just get plastered straight into the ceiling. Also they're concealed, which is all good. I'll just do a quick walk round the rest of the flat. So here's the bedroom. Again, heating's all in, ready to go. Hallway. So yeah, as I say, most of it's been done. Downstairs, they haven't started plastering at all, so starting with a blank canvas there. So yes, I just thought I'd come on really just do a very quick one, just to give a bit of an update on where we're at with it all. And I'm planning on being here. I'm going to be at 7:30 in the morning to meet the plasterer and the electrician on site. So we will hopefully get a bit of footage then. I'll try and do a live while we're plastering it in, so everyone can see how it goes in. And hopefully that will be useful. But in the meantime, any questions you've got about the project, anybody that doesn't know, this is a project that I'm running for. I'm overseeing it for a client of mine. They contacted me last year and asked if I'd oversee it for them. Effectively project manage it, but kind of working as principal designer to oversee the principal contractor on this. And it's a 3-bed masonette, which we've converted into 2 1-bed flats. So it's been quite an arduous process, a lot of sound insulation going in, which a lot of you are kind of probably up to speed of already. And yeah, so it's been good. It's not been without its challenges, but it's all been good fun. And yeah, we're about halfway through now. I think this is week 7 of a 14. Yeah, it is week 7 of a 14-week program. So all looking good so far, and we're on the home straight really now. Once we get this heating in, we can obviously start the decorating. Kitchens are going to be going on this run, and obviously in the room below. So we'll get them on order. They'll start going in, and yeah, start cracking on. So yeah, hope that was useful. Any questions, drop a comment below, and I will do my best to answer. And in the meantime, I will, as I say, hopefully jump on tomorrow. But in the meantime, have a great afternoon and evening, and speak to you soon. All the best. Cheers.